preserving reggae music and or culture right here at Grizzly's Plantation Cove. It's all about night one of Rebel Salute 2019.
Grizzly, love it.
So we are coming with a force, yeah. Legendary blood force, you know. And we don't rise and pause. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all coming like one. But thank God for the journey, the earnings are just for the bless, yeah. And gratitude is a must, yeah.
Tell me how you enjoy Rebel Salute.
One word, coffee. I like coffee tonight. I really like the way she take on the show.
I listen to Cat going on, very instrumental.
What do you love about Rebel Salute?
Well, kind of like the ambience.
It is always an honor and a pleasure to perform for you. So you know, all kind of performance me are going with since night. First time I met you, I could not forget you. And I really want to get you. Let's have on the girl commits. You know what I want to remember this? Hey, jump, hey. So what a situation about myself into, there's nothing I can do.
Alright, Coffee, Rebel Salute 2019. Last year you make your appearance. This year you get a full set. How you feeling?
Feeling very good, very humble and very grateful. Gratitude is a must.
I'm Mel from Mel Street Eats, and I have cannabis food basically. So cannabis brownies, cookies, gummies, chocolates, you name it, down to tea bags. I do prefer when people are educated on edibles, so what I do is I do them the favor of letting them know all about what they're putting inside of their bodies.
Alright, so here at the Herb Curb, I see we have Murray wine here.
Yes, we have Murray wine in banana, and Murray wine in pineapple, Murray wine in sorrel, and Murray wine in grape. And we also have a stamina tonic for the man them, so everybody can come down and, you know, get your stamina going on.
Yeah, I have some weed here for sale. I have OG Kush, and I have some Liberty Haze, and Purple Afghan Kush.
What do you think about it so far? It's just a Friday night.
Friday night, I'm happy. I mean, you have people who came out and people are still here enjoying themselves, and I enjoyed myself on stage. And yeah, I'm happy, man. Intense when I jump the fence. I want to hear the salute sing for me. Get ready. Get ready. Get ready. Get ready. Let me salute. Are we ready? And the day I would love to see their face, for all those evil able to the human race, and try to take things out of place, run away to space, to them in our ears. Wow, I feel what that judgment to one go get a place, when them find out say that them can't escape, sadness they say that they can't forget. Run us alone.
Closing out night one with a bang. I can't wait to see what they have in store for us on night two.